Right mga sir, brake moto. Ayan, okay na yung motor ni Bossing. Testing na natin. Brake master left and right. Tapos caliper, tapos yung big D sa harap. Tapos rear disc brake conversion mga sir. Moto shop mga sir. Right mga sir, good morning. Welcome to Brake Moto Shop mga sir. Yun o, Aerox B2 mga sir. Ano tayo Bossing? Ayan. Repeat customer si sir, bumalik dito sa atin. Kasi magpapadisc brake na si Bossing. Yung unang punta ni Boss dito, yun yung pina-install niya, yung front brake mga sir. Tapos ngayon papadisc brake na si Bossing. Na-install na yung brake master, left and right. Tapos yung set sa likod. Start na natin agad yan.
You pretend to listen, you pretend to care, you call yourself a friend, but you're never even there. No, all I can say is you're getting in the way, and you're making up things that aren't true. Take what you need, but there's nothing left for me. It's a phase that you never outgrew. It's all about you, it's all about you, it's all about the things that you wanna do. It's all about you, it's all about you. I can't believe the things that you put me through. Every stupid story, every crazy lie. You love to play the victim, but I'm so bored I could cry. Yeah, all I can say is you're getting in my way, and you're making up things that aren't true. Take what you
Right mga sir, brake moto. Ayan, okay na yung motor ni Bossing. Testing na natin. Brake master left and right. Tapos caliper, tapos yung big D sa harap. Tapos rear disc brake conversion mga sir. So testing muna natin mga lodi. Let's go. Yung ayos na agad mga sir. Yan mga boss, pagka gusto nyo magpa-disc brake dito sa amin, located kami rito sa may Barangay Malaria mga sir. Pwede nyo po kaming i-PM sa page natin mga sir. Pag pupunta naman po kayo rito, pwede nyo pong i-Waze or Gmap, Brake Moto Shop mga sir. Disc brake ni boss. Solid na ng disc brake ni boss. Sir, testing mo sir para mapil mo yung preno sa likod. Ayos na yan. Ayan si Bossing bumalik. Bumalik dito, front lang yung pinagawa eh. Pero this time, nagpa-convert na mga sir. Yun. Ayos na. Pitik-pitik lang muna sir. Gamayan mo muna sir yung preno. Ano all goods na mga Bossing? Shoutout kay sir. All goods sir.
Recommended.
Okay sir. Big moto mga sir, big moto.